Welcome back. I'm going to be making the Automoblocks tire uh, on here. We're going to be doing this in a different couple ways, but the first thing I'm going to do is going to go down here to the dimensions, and I see the first radius 1.65, and I also see that this part right here is zero point 0.1, the 1 thickness. I'm probably going to do this first of all. I'm going to create a sketch. Okay, let's create a circle. One point 65. Gotta double check here to make sure that was right. 1.65. Then 0.1. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something called the offset, and it's right here. It's an offset tool. What this will allow me to do now, I'm going to offset this. And I can tell that I want it to be 0.1. So now I've already got the thickness of my tire. What I'm going to do here now is I'm going to go down a little bit here and see if they'll tell me exactly how thick this thick this tire is. I'm not seeing exactly how thick this tire is. So, um, for right now, I'm going to go ahead. It's 0.25. I'm going to make it about a quarter of an inch. Like terms, gotta make it something. So I'm going to go in here to extrude. And I'm going to make it 0.25 inches. Now I may have to change that a little bit here. Go back to our Word document. Okay, right here it tells us that the inner one here is 0.3 inches. Uh, what I'm working on here now is a rib that you see. We're going to work on these ribs. Well, to do that, I'm going to go into um, on that. I'm going to go here. I'm going to create a plane. Sorry, offset. And I'm going to tell it I want it to offset. It's going to the right, so I'm going to have to make it negative. Negative 125, half of that quarter of an inch. Now I'm going to tell it that I want to make a sketch on that midplane. Smaller, I'm going to right hand click, slice the graphics. I'm going to project some geometry. Now I can use my offset tool again. And I'm going to double check here. There's 0.03 right here. So let's go to sketch. 3. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to draw some lines. For those of you who have been cancel. Didn't like that line I just put in there, so we're going to have to. Sometimes my hand moves a little faster than what invented. Alright, we got a line there. Okay. Do another line. Now I'm going to do some dimension. Unless I'm confused, I believe the 4 degree, I'm looking at this 4-degree angle right there. So what I'm going to do is, I still can't dimension from here. What I'm going to do is draw one more line in here. Right up the middle. Now, what that's going to allow me to do is, I call it a cheat line. From here to here, 4 degrees. Cheating. It's allowing me to set these at 4. Now, I can come up here and trim to get rid of everything I don't want. This is everything on the outside. I personally think this is probably the easiest. When I come in here, now, I've got this correct thickness. It doesn't really tell me how thick it's, how far it's supposed to go, but I know I've got 0.125 in either direction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to sketch. I'm going to say that I want to extrude it. I want to go in both directions. I'm just going to say 0.1, 0.1 in both directions. What you can see now is it's a grid there. I go to work plane, turn it off, and now I've got this right here. Next important thing here. Okay, this is this next part here. We're going to use this circular pattern. There's a couple things we got to choose. I want to go up here and click on this thing. I'm going to choose the axis, which means I'm just going to click on the circle. Then I got to tell it how many that I basically want. Then I'm going to hit OK. Well, I've already done this first part, so let's do it again. I'm going to go up here, click on the circle. It automatically asks me for the feature, highlighted in blue. That's my feature. I'm going to tell it I want this to be my axis. Pick the axis. Right now it's saying 6. I want 15 of them. Then you can see start to reproduce these all the way around. I hit OK. Now I have 15 of these little ribs on the inside of there. As you can see, probably if I scroll out a little bit better here, now you can see all these little ribs produced inside there. That's it for the wheel, or for the tire. Tire, we're done for the day. I'll catch you.